Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Optronics Amber LED Directional Warning Light. This compact amber directional light for your vehicle is going to provide a warning signal to increase safety. A light like this is going to be great for towing, plowing, transportation, warehouse, and agricultural applications, just to name a few. And this meets the SAE-J5954 Class 1 vehicles. Now, as you can see, I do have this connected to power already, and this does feature 18 different patterns, and I want to go through these patterns, but I do want to warn you that if you're sensitive to flashing lights or strobe lights, you just want to be aware of that. If you need to fast forward through this video because of that, of course that option is available to you, but I just wanted to warn you, especially when I turn my studio lights off, it can be pretty intense. So let me go ahead and turn my studio lights off, and then I'm going to try to go through as many of these patterns as I can here. So this is a steady pattern that we have right now, and so I'm going to try to go through as many as I can here. So this light is capable of synchronization. Two or more lights can be wired to flash together or in an alternating pattern. Additional lights are sold separately, of course. And this light features 12 LEDs that are highly efficient, they're durable, they're long-lasting. So you can see that you've got quite a few different options here. Some of those might not come through real clear over the camera, but I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you have, what's offered here. I think I've gone through most if not all of them there. We're back to our steady light here. So let me turn my studio lights back on. And then I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for a close-up. Let me go ahead and disconnect the power just so I'm not blinding you here. Now this does have a 4-wire pigtail here, as you can see. So this is going to be able to connect this, hardwire this to your vehicle. And so the red wire here is going to be power. The black wire is going to be ground. The yellow wire is what I was using for the pattern selection. I kept hitting it against the positive power line there to change the pattern. And then the white wire is for syncing. So you would connect the white to the red. That would be alternate. And then the yellow wires you would connect to synchronize the flash, and then the white wires you would connect to power the power source rather for alternating flash. So again, white to red to alternate, then you'd connect the yellow wires of lights to synchronize the flash and connect the white wire to the power for alternating flash. And of course instructions are included to walk you through that information. This light does feature a polycarbonate lens with an aluminum sealed housing, so this is going to be very durable. It's going to be weather resistant. It's IP67 rated for industry standard protection against dust and moisture. This is going to be a permanent install with this gasket here and the hardware. And then let me go ahead and remove the gasket. It's going to make it a little bit easier to show you some measurements. So measuring end to end, line that up there, bring it into frame. We're sitting right at 4 3/4 inches wide. And then the height is right at 1 3/4 inches. The depth, about 1/2 inch. And if you were wondering about the distance on center between these mounting holes, see if I can line that up there for you. Looks like 4 1/4 inches on center on those mounting holes. So this will be compatible with your 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. Put that gasket back on here. So hardware included, instructions are included. But I think that's going to wrap up our quick look today. I do hope that our time together in the information was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.